Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp without messaging them or calling them. So there are two things that you can do. Open the WhatsApp application. Now open the contact whom you suspect has blocked you, and if you wait for a few seconds, if you can see the contact online or if you can see when the contact was online last time, it means that the contact has not blocked you. But suppose if you open the contact and after waiting for a few minutes, also if you cannot see when the contact was online last time, then you can say that the contact has blocked you in their WhatsApp application. Similarly, the next thing is if the contact has not blocked you, you will be able to see the profile photo of the contact. But suppose if a contact blocks you, and then let us see what happens. You can see this one. So once the contact block you, so you can see the profile picture is no longer available. This also shows that the contact has blocked you in their WhatsApp application. But these two methods may not be 100% accurate, because if the contact changes the privacy settings and does not want anybody to know when the contact was online last time, or if the contact does not want to show the profile picture, then in that case also you will not be able to see when the contact was online or the profile photo of the contact. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.